The power of a good morning. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the morning. What do you do in the first hour after you wake up? Do you get out of bed, drink some water, and begin your day? Or do you reach for your phone before your feet even touch the floor? You open one video, then another. You check a message. You look at a few posts. You tell yourself, just 5 more minutes. But 5 minutes becomes 20. Then you look at the time and realize that your morning is almost gone. Nothing terrible happened. You did not lose your whole days, but you lost something important. You lost the quiet part of the day when nobody was asking you for anything. The morning was yours, and you gave it away before the day even started. This is why your morning matters. It is not because waking up early is some kind of magics. It is because the first part of your day can give you time to work on the person you want to become. If you want to learn English, the morning can give you time to practice. If you are a student, it can give you time to review your lessons. If you want to read more, it can give you a quiet place to read. If you want to take better care of your body, it can give you time to move and exercise. And if your mind often feels busy, the morning can give you a few peaceful minutes before the noise begins. But there is one thing you need to understand first. Getting up early does not mean sleeping less. Who do you think will have an easier start? The second person has already made the morning easier before going to sleep. You can do the same. Before bed, prepare a few simple things. Put your clothes where you can find them. Put your English book or notebook on your desk. Prepare anything you need for your morning exercise. Write down the most important things you want to do. Then go to sleep. Do not make a huge plan. You only need a simple one. For example, your morning could look like this. Wake up, drink water, wash your face, open the window, move your body for a few minutes. Practice English, eat breakfast, then get ready for the rest of the day. That is enough. You do not need a perfect morning routine with 20 steps. A routine that you can actually follow is much better than a perfect routine that you give up after 3 days. Now, let us talk about the hardest part, getting out of bed. When your alarm rings, your bed will probably feel very comfortable. Your mind may tell you to stay there. You may think, I am tired, I can study later. And sometimes you really may need more sleep. But if you have already had enough sleep and the problem is simply that you do not want to get up, do not spend 10 minutes arguing with yourself. Sit up. Put your feet on the floor. Stand up. That is it. Do not think about the whole morning. Just take the first step. Once you are standing, wash your face and drink some water. Your body will slowly wake up. Open the curtains. Let the morning light into the room. Look outside for a moment. You are no longer in bed. Your day has begun. Now give yourself a few quiet minutes. You do not need to study difficult grammar at 6 in the morning. Start with something easy. Listen to a short English lesson. Choose a few simple words. Read a small paragraph. Repeat a few sentences. Speak out loud. For example, you can describe your own morning. I woke up early today. I drank some water. I opened the window. I am going to study English. These sentences may look very easy. That is exactly why they are useful. You are practicing English that you can use in real life. You can also learn 5 new words. Do not try to remember 50 words in one morning. 5 useful words are enough. Write them down. Say each word. Make a simple sentence with each one. Then review the words from yesterday. This small routine can become powerful when you repeat it regularly. Monday can be listening. Tuesday can be speaking. Wednesday can be reading. Thursday can be vocabulary. Friday can be a review. You can change the plan to fit your needs. The important thing is to give your English a regular place in your days, and the morning can be that placed. But learning is not the only thing you can do. Your body needs attention too. After studying for some time, get up from your chair, stretch, walk around, move your arms and legs. If you enjoy walking, go outside for a short walk. You do not need to turn your morning into a hard workout. The goal is to move your body safely and build a healthy routine. Imagine this. You wake up. You drink water. You wash your face. You spend 20 minutes learning English. Then you walk outside for 15 minutes. You come home. You eat breakfast. Now you have already done something for your mind and something for your body. And the day has only just begun. That feeling can be very different from waking up late and spending the first hour on your phone. This is the real value of a morning routine. It gives you a chance to do important things before less important things take your attentions. Of course, not every morning will be perfect, or there will be days when you wake up later. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be days when you have to leave home early. There will be mornings when something unexpected happens. That may work for them. It does not mean you need the same routine. Your life is different. Your school may start at a different time. Your work may have different hours. Your family may need you in the morning. Build a routine that fits your real life. A useful routine is better than an impressive routine. Now think about your phone again. Your phone is not your enemy. It can help you learn. You can use it to listen to English. You can watch an educational videos. You can read something useful. But there is a big difference between using your phone for a purpose and letting your phone decide what you do. If you open your phone without a plan, you may lose a lot of time. So, try something simple. During your English practice, use your phone only for English. When the lesson is finished, put it away. This small rule can protect your attentions. Your morning should not be filled with noises. It should have some space for thinking. Maybe you can sit quietly for 5 minutes. Think about what you need to do. Think about one thing you want to learn. Think about one thing you can do well today. You do not need to write a long diary. A few simple thoughts are enough. This quiet time can also help you notice how you feel. Are you tired? Are you worried? Are you excited? Do you have too much to do? Knowing how you feel can help you choose what you need. Maybe you need more rest. Maybe you need to study. Maybe you need to talk to someone. Maybe you simply need a calm start. A morning routine should support your life. It should not become another source of pressure. Now, let us build a simple daily morning routine. Imagine that you have enough sleep and you wake up at 6:30. At 6:30, get out of bed. Do not check social media. Drink some water. At 6:30, wash your face and open the curtains. Let the morning light into your room. At 6:40, move your body. You can stretch or take a short walk. At 7 o'clock, begin your English practice. Listen for 5 minutes. Read for 5 minutes. Speak for 5 minutes. Review 5 words. That is 20 minutes of English. At 7:20, take a short break. Then, eat breakfast. At 7:40, look at your plan for the day. Choose the most important task. Now, you are ready to begin. This routine is only an example. Your time can be different. Maybe you wake up at 7. Maybe you have only 30 minutes. That is fine. You can make a shorter version. Wake up, drink water, move for 5 minutes. Practice English for 15 minutes. Then get ready. The point is not the exact clock time. The point is what you do with the time you have. And remember something important. Your morning routine should not take away your sleep. If you are always tired, look at your bedtime first. A good morning needs a good night. Give your body enough rest. Then give your morning a purpose. Over time, something interesting may happen. You may stop thinking of your morning routine as a difficult task. It may become normal. You wake up. You know what comes next. You do not need to make a new decision every morning. That is the power of a routine. It removes some of the daily struggle. You no longer ask, "Should I study English today?" You already know. It is part of your morning. You no longer ask, "Should I go for a walk?" You already know. It is part of your routine. You are building a system that helps you move forward. And this is more useful than waiting for motivation. Motivation can disappear. A routine can stay. There will be days when you feel excited. There will also be days when you do not. On those difficult days, make the task smaller. If you plan 20 minutes of English but feel very tired, listen for 5 minutes. If you planned a long walk but do not have much time, take a short one. Doing a small amount is often better than doing nothing. You are teaching yourself that you can keep a promise even when the day is not perfect. That lesson is valuable because your future is not built in one morning. It is built through many ordinary mornings. One morning may feel unimportant, but 100 ordinary mornings can create a very different person. You may know more English. You may read more easily. You may understand more words. You may feel more comfortable speaking. You may have better daily habits. You may feel more organized. These changes may happen slowly. That is normal. Do not look for a huge result after 1 week. Look for small signs of progress. Maybe you understand a sentence that you could not understand before. Maybe you remember a new word without looking it up. Maybe you walk a little longer than before. Maybe you wake up without pressing the alarm again. These small signs matter. They show that your routine is becoming part of your life. So, tonight, do not promise yourself that you will become a completely different person tomorrow. Make a smaller promise. Prepare your clothes. Prepare your books. Choose your English lesson. Decide what you want to do. Go to sleep at a reasonable time. Then, when morning comes, get up. Do not wait for the perfect feelings. Begin with one simple action. Drink water. Wash your face, open the window, move your body, study something useful, then start your day. The morning will not solve every problem in your life, but it can give you something valuable. It can give you a quiet place to invest in yourself. And if you use that quiet time well, day after day, your small choices can become real progress. So the next time your alarm rings, remember the choice in front of you. You can give the morning away without noticing, or you can use a small part of it to learn, move, think, and prepare. You do not need a perfect routine. You need a routine that you can live with. Start with 15 minutes. Make it simple. Repeat it. Then build from there. One day, you may look back and realize that the biggest change did not come from one special morning. It came from all the ordinary mornings when you chose to get up and do something that mattered. That is how a morning becomes useful. Not because the sun rises early, not because the clock says 6, but because you decided that some of your time should belong to your growth. Tomorrow morning, give yourself that time and use it well.